Installing a processor Neptune Air Module. Loosen the 6 screws on the Neptune Air Module shipping tray. Use the module handle to lift the Neptune Air Module and separate it from the shipping tray. Place the tray evenly into the chassis and then move it to the right so that the screw hole on the tray aligns with the hole on the chassis. Fasten the screw. Align the triangular mark and 4 Torx T30 nuts on the cold plate assembly with the triangular mark and threaded posts of the processor socket, and then insert the cold plate assembly into the processor socket. Push the anti-tilt wire bales outward until they engage with the hooks in the socket. Fully fasten the Torx T30 nuts in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate assembly and the radiator. Push the Neptune Air Module handle down. Connect the leakage detection sensor module cable and pump cables of the Neptune Air Module to the connector on the system board assembly. Install the top cover.